So, what is a Wi-Fi extender? Say, if you are working on ground floor and the router is on your top floor. You are connected with Wi-Fi, but the connection is pretty bad due to proximity. You can change to a more powerful router, or you can save cost by using a wireless extender. Technically, an extender will pick up the wireless signal from the router, and you will be connected to the extender, getting stable wireless connection. Here is a generic brandless wireless extender. A wireless extender or repeater is much cheaper than other technology, but it does have some limitations. After you have purchased an extender, connect your computer LAN port to the extender's LAN port. Next, you can start configuring the extender. Once you have connected the cables, select repeater mode. Next, select your Wi-Fi and key in the Wi-Fi password. And the repeater's Wi-Fi name will be displayed. Your computer should be connected to the new Wi-Fi name to use the repeater's signal instead. Overall, we are able to see dramatical improvements with repeater signal.